Good morning, children. My name is J. Sushma. I am working as primary in charge and English teacher in Sri Chaitanya School, Dilshina branch. Do you know, children? Today I am here to explain about the new lesson. Before that, I want to ask a few questions. If you want to buy some chocolates or biscuits or some other things, what you will do? You will carry some money with you and you will go to the shop and you will buy some things. You will go to the shop, you will ask the shopkeeper to give the thing and you will ask the fare of that thing and you will give the money. Before this money was introduced or invented, how the people used to get this? There was no currency. Then how the people used to get the things with them? The thing is, they used to exchange the goods. For example, I have a kg of potatoes and I want a kg of tomatoes. Then I used to find the person who have tomatoes and go and ask her or him to give tomatoes on behalf of these potatoes. So there is an exchange of goods. That means I'll give the other person potatoes and he or she will give me the tomatoes. So in this way, the olden days, before the currency was introduced or invented, people used to exchange the goods. Nowadays, as we have currency, we go to the shop, we'll carry our currency and we'll go and buy the things. The same way, here is a boy, the name Ranji, want to eat jalebis. You know jalebi? Jalebi is a sweet which is orange in color and most of us like the jalebi. So he want to eat jalebis, so he carried money to buy it in the shop. So now let's go into the lesson. Before going into the lesson, you know what is the lesson name? A rupee goes a long way. Today's lesson is a rupee goes a long way. You know children who wrote this lesson? His name is Ruskin Bond. His name is Ruskin Bond. I'll tell the spelling. R-U-S-K-I-N-B-O-N-D. Ruskin Bond. He is an Indian writer of British origin. He played a very important role in writing the children's literature. He used to stay in the hill stations, so his writings So now we'll enter into the lesson. In this story, the main character is Ranji. He loves to eat jalebi. So he had 1 rupee with him. He took that 1 rupee and went to the sweet shop and asked the shopkeeper to give jalebis of 1 rupee. The shopkeeper asked him to give the coin. Ranji gave the coin. The shopkeeper observed the coin keenly and said that these coins are not used in these days. They are used in the olden days and not only that, that is in the bad condition. So I can't take them and I can't give you the jalebis. Ranji was upset and went back, started walking onto this road. On the way, he met his friend Mohinder. Mohinder was catching the fishing rod. Ranji saw the fishing rod and was attracted to that fishing rod and asked Mohinder to give the rod. But Mohinder asked to give him money. Ranji was carrying a damaged coin and he gave that coin and said that I have only this coin and I can give only this. Mohinder looked at the coin and said that okay, I'll take this coin and I'll give you the fishing rod. But Ranji asked, this is not in a good condition, then how you are going to use it? But Mohinder said that my uncle has a habit of collecting the coins. So I'm going to give this coin to him. Ranji was happy and Mohinder took the coin and Ranji got his fishing rod. On the way to go to the sea to catch the fish, he saw a truck and asked the truck driver to give a ride. Truck driver asked him to get into the truck. On the way of the sea, the truck driver dropped him. The Ranji went down to the river side. As it was the summer season, there is not enough much water. Ranji got down to the river and started catching the fish, but he was unable to catch the fish and came and started walking back. On the way of his back, he saw a mango tree with the ripe mangoes. He wanted to eat the mango, so he took the help of the fishing rod tip and he started picking the mangoes, but he was unable to pick a mango and he started his walking the way. On the way, he heard a boy playing the flute. He went to the boy and stood and started listening to the music. The boy Ranji was very happy listening to the music and he was very stunned. The boy stopped the music and started looking at the Ranji's fishing rod and asked Ranji, "Have you gone to the fishing? Did you catch any of the fish?" Then Ranji said, "No, I couldn't find any fish. I couldn't make a fish, so I'm going back to my home." Then Ranji was looking at to the flute and the boy is looking at to the fishing rod. The boy asked Ranji to give him the fishing rod. Then Ranji asked the boy to give him the flute. Both of them agreed and exchanged the goods. Now the boy is happy with the fishing rod and Ranji was started to play the flute. The first sound from the flute was very freaky, so that the magpie which sat on the tree listening to the harsh sound, it flew away. Later he played flute very fluently and was walking to the bazaar. On the way he met a boy who was carrying the milk cans. He saw the flute playing by the Ranji and went to him and asked him to give the flute. Ranji said, "Why?" Ranji asked, "Why?" Then the boy said, "I can play better than you. Why can't you give me the flute?" Then Ranji asked, "If you have 1 rupee, then I'm going to give the flute." But the boy who was carrying the milk can said that, "I don't have any money." Then Ranji asked that, "You should give me anything or else I won't give you this flute." Then the boy took a necklace from his pocket and showed that and said to Ranji that, "This is a beautiful necklace with the bright color stones which I found in the mountain Tibet." Ranji was very surprised and very fascinated with that necklace and took that necklace and gave the flute to the boy. Ranji was sitting on the road on the wall and was staring at the necklace. After a while he heard a voice. Whose voice is that? Do you know, children? It's Cookie's voice, who is his neighbor. She came to Ranji and asked, "What is that in your hand?" Then Ranji said, "It is a necklace. Do you want to look it?" Then Koki took it to the hands and looked it. She was startled at the necklace and she asked him to give her the necklace. Then Ranji said, "I'll give you the necklace only if you give me 1 rupee." Koki was unhappy, but she liked the necklace very much. So she took a rupee from her purse and gave to Ranji. Ranji gave the necklace back. Where the scene happened? It happened near the clock tower in the bazaar. Soon he got the money, Ranji ran to the shop and which shop? He ran to the sweet shop. He ran to the sweet shop and gave the coin to the shopkeeper. The shopkeeper looked at the coin carefully and was very happy and gave the jalebis of 1 rupee. He packed in the cover and he gave it. Ranji walking back to the bazaar. He saw Koki waiting for him. He immediately went to her and asked, "Why are you standing here?" Then she said that, "I'm feeling very hungry. Could you please lend me some jalebis?" Then Ranji said, "Okay, let's eat together." Both of them sat side by side and started eating the jalebis. Both had fun. So children, you have observed how a rupee goes a long way. Does really a rupee travel? No. The rupee had made a way by humans. Okay children? Did you understand the story? Okay, fine. Once again we will go to the recapitulation. What is the first character? ఇంకొస్తుంది పెట్టు ఏం కాదు బ్యాక్ కొట్టేసి క్యాన్సిల్ కొట్టేసి. What is the first character? First of all, what is our lesson name? Our lesson name is A Rupee Goes a Long Way. Who wrote this lesson? Ruskin Bond. Who is the first character here? Ranji. Where did he go? Why did he go? He went to the sweet shop to buy jalebis. Did the shopkeeper give him the jalebis? No. Why did he give the jalebis? Because the Ranji was carrying a coin which was not in a good condition and which was not to be used. Then, whom did he met? he met his friend Mohinder. What was he catching? He was catching a fishing rod. Then, did the Mohinder give the fishing rod to Ranji? Yes. On what condition? Ranji gave the rupee which he was carrying to the Mohinder. Then on the way, whom did he met? He met a truck driver and asked him to give a ride. Then, did he catch the fishes? No. He was unable to catch the fishes and started his way. After that, whom did he met? A boy. What was he doing? The boy was playing the flute. Then what is the conversation between the boy and the flute Ranji? The both discussed to exchange the goods. They both exchanged the goods. Then where did the Ranji go? He was going to the bazaar. Then whom he met first? He met a boy who was selling the milk. What was the conversation between the milk boy and Ranji? Milk boy wanted the flute. So did Ranji accept that? Yes, he accepted by taking a necklace. Ranji gave necklace to whom? Ranji gave the necklace. Ranji gave necklace to Koki. Who was Koki? Koki was his neighbor. What did Koki give in behalf of this necklace? She gave 1 rupee. Finally, Ranji got 1 rupee. Right, he got. What did he do with this 1 rupee? He immediately ran to the sweet shop and bought the jalebis. Did Ranji eat the jalebis alone? No, he shared them with the Koki. So this is the lesson, children. I hope you understand. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe. Full stop. Any minutes వచ్చింది?
ఏది కొట్టాలి అదే నాకు